This video documents public theater maintenance by Low Moisture Cleaning. The venue required a faster return to service than steam or other deep cleaning methods could provide. The carpet is treated using chemical and equipment made for the purpose. The formulated solution chemically bonds dirt, dust, and allergens together. The machine agitates the surface and raises the carpet's pile. The upholstered seating is cleaned using a chemical specific to this textile. The amount used is enough to bond dirt, dust, and allergens together, but not soak the surface. Following this is a vacuum to remove surface solids and lift the fabric's fibers. The result is a cleaner public space that is ready for its return to service the next day. And that's about it. Public theater maintenance by Low Moisture Cleaning.